2011 Ford F-150 FX2 two-wheel drive, 146,000 miles. Super sharp truck. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It's fully loaded. Running boards, power sliding rear window, leather, heated seats, backup camera, rear parking assist, tow package, bed liner. Super sharp truck. It is running. Has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost in it. Leather seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Aftermarket Kenwood radio. There is a backup camera, Bluetooth, heated seats. 147,000 miles, my bad. No rips, stains, or wear marks on the leather. Perfect Carfax report. All-weather mats. For an 11 truck, you're not going to find a cleaner one. So a 2011 Ford F-150 FX2 loaded in wonderful, wonderful condition. Needs nothing.